Can I open a new savings account? Yes, certainly. What documents do you have with you? Do I need to bring my ID? Yes, a valid government-issued ID is required. Can I deposit cash into my account here? Absolutely. Our tellers can assist you with that. What's the minimum balance requirement for a savings account? It depends on the type of account you're opening. Would you like details? Are there any monthly fees for maintaining an account? Some accounts do have fees. Would you like to know which ones don't? Can I apply for a loan online? Yes, you can. Have you registered for online banking? What are the interest rates on personal loans? Rates vary depending on the loan amount and term. Would you like to discuss specifics? How long does it take to get a credit card approved? Approval times can vary. Would you like to start the application process? Can I transfer money to an international account? Yes, you can. Do you have the recipient's account details? Is there a fee for international transfers? Yes, there's usually a fee involved. Would you like to know the amount? Can I set up automatic bill payments? Absolutely. We can assist you with setting that up. What's the process for closing an account? You'll need to visit the branch and fill out a closure form. Can I check my account balance over the phone? Yes, you can. Would you like to set up phone banking? How do I report a lost or stolen card? You can call our customer service hotline immediately. Are there any rewards programs for credit card holders? Yes, we have several rewards programs available. Would you like more information? Can I make changes to my account details online? Yes, through our online banking portal. Have you registered yet? What's the process for disputing a transaction? You'll need to fill out a dispute form and provide evidence. Can I order checks for my checking account? Yes, you can. Would you like to order them now? How can I update my contact information? You can do that online or by visiting the branch. Which would you prefer? Can I withdraw money from my account at any ATM? Yes, as long as it's within our network. Would you like a list of locations? What should I do if I forget my online banking password? You can reset it online or contact our customer service for assistance. Are there any limits on daily withdrawals? Yes, there are. Would you like to know the specific limits? Can I schedule appointments with a financial advisor? Absolutely. Would you like to book an appointment now? How can I change my account's overdraft settings? You can do that through online banking or by visiting the branch. Can I request a higher credit limit on my card? Yes, you can. We'll need to review your account first. Is there a penalty for early loan repayment? It depends on the type of loan. Would you like more information? Can I open a joint account with someone who isn't a relative? Yes, you can. They'll need to provide identification and sign the necessary forms. How can I set up alerts for account activity? You can do that through our online banking platform. Would you like assistance? Can I apply for a mortgage online? Yes, you can start the process online. Would you like a link to our application? How often are account statements generated? Monthly. Would you like to receive them electronically or by mail? What's the procedure for updating my beneficiary information? You can do that by filling out a beneficiary form at the branch. Can I link my savings account to my checking account? Yes, you can. Would you like assistance setting that up? Are there any discounts for students on banking services? Yes, we have special packages for students. Would you like more information? How can I apply for a debit card? You can do that at the branch or through our online application. Can I make changes to a pending transaction? Once a transaction is pending, you can't make changes to it. How can I apply for a business account? You'll need to visit the branch and bring relevant business documents. Can I set up recurring transfers between my accounts? Yes, you can. Would you like assistance setting that up? What's the interest rate on a fixed-term deposit? Rates vary depending on the term and amount. Would you like current rates? Can I access my account from a mobile app? Yes, we have a mobile banking app available for download. How do I update my mailing address for account statements? You can do that online or by visiting the branch. Can I open a joint account with different ownership percentages? Yes, you can customize ownership percentages. Would you like to discuss this further? What's the procedure for adding a beneficiary to my account? You'll need to fill out a beneficiary form and provide their information. Can I deposit checks using a mobile app? Yes, you can. Our mobile app has a check deposit feature. How long does it take for a deposited check to clear? It usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Would you like more details? Can I make an appointment to speak with a loan officer? Yes, you can schedule an appointment with our loan department. How do I dispute an overdraft fee? You'll need to contact our customer service department and provide details. Can I apply for a credit card with a low credit score? It may be possible, depending on your credit history. Would you like to discuss options? How can I set up direct deposit for my paycheck? You can provide your employer with our routing and account number. Can I make changes to my account nickname online? Yes, you can do that through online banking settings. How do I set up email alerts for account activity? You can manage email alerts through our online banking portal. Can I apply for a business loan online? Yes, you can start the application process online. How can I access my account if I forget my username? You can recover your username through our online banking platform. Can I make international wire transfers online? Yes, you can initiate international wire transfers through online banking. What's the procedure for closing a joint account? All account holders need to visit the branch and sign a closure form. Can I add a co-signer to my loan application? Yes, you can add a co-signer to strengthen your application. How can I update my email address for account notifications? You can update your email address through online banking settings. Can I order foreign currency at this branch? Yes, we offer foreign currency exchange services. How do I set up automatic transfers between my accounts? You can schedule automatic transfers through online banking. Can I apply for a credit card with a joint account holder? Yes, you can apply jointly for a credit card. How do I request a replacement debit card? You can request a replacement card through our customer service department. Can I open a trust account at this branch? Yes, you can open a trust account. Would you like assistance with that? How do I change my online banking password? You can change your password through online banking settings. Can I withdraw money from my account without my debit card? Yes, you can withdraw money at the branch with proper identification. What's the procedure for reporting fraudulent activity on my account? You should contact our fraud department immediately. Can I apply for a personal loan with collateral? Yes, you can apply for a secured personal loan with collateral. How do I update my account preferences for overdraft protection? You can update your preferences through online banking settings. Can I make a loan payment using a credit card? Yes, you can make a loan payment using a credit card. How do I enroll in paperless statements? You can enroll in paperless statements through online banking settings. Can I request a temporary increase in my credit card limit? Yes, you can request a temporary credit limit increase. How do I order a new set of checks for my account? You can order checks through online banking or by visiting the branch. Can I apply for a home equity line of credit online? Yes, you can start the application process online. How do I update my security questions for online banking? You can update your security questions through online banking settings. Can I make a loan payment using an external bank account? Yes, you can make a loan payment using an external bank account. What's the process for disputing an ATM withdrawal? You'll need to fill out a dispute form and provide evidence of the error. Can I apply for a credit card with a cosigner? Yes, you can apply for a credit card with a cosigner. How do I add a payee for bill payments? You can add a payee through online banking bill pay settings. Can I set up text alerts for account activity? Yes, you can set up text alerts through online banking settings. How do I set up a recurring transfer to an external account? You can set up recurring transfers to an external account through online banking. Can I apply for a car loan online? Yes, you can start the application process for a car loan online. How do I request a stop payment on a check? You can request a stop payment on a check through online banking settings. Can I make a mortgage payment online? Yes, you can make a mortgage payment online through our website. How do I update my phone number for account alerts? You can update your phone number through online banking settings. Can I apply for a personal line of credit online? Yes, you can start the application process for a personal line of credit online.